Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. What are we doing down here at the layout? Well, we're running the giant DD40 by Athearn, which is really supposedly a DD35A, and the homemade rail car, which I think is derailed. But it's really the drag weight that's important, unless it gets snagged somewhere in the mountain. But you have to run a cleaning car every once in a while. So I hear it. Usually your ear is correct. Oh, look at that. It is on. Again, that's the one good thing. I don't know what I was thinking, but I made something out of wood, two regular freight car trucks. Probably could have better trucks. And I don't know where I got those parts from, just bolts and stuff. And some weight from an old locomotive. And that's pretty heavy weight. And it's got a floor protector pad that you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's. So it's just like fuzz, that you put under a chair or a sofa leg so it doesn't scratch the floor. But that fuzz really cleans up. Oh, now it's really derailed. Yeah, you got it when it sounds that bad. I mean, it's funny I couldn't see it. I'm knocking everything over, and I didn't even have any eggnog. What the hell's going on? Knocking everything over. Okay, now it's back on. I think it means I've run enough trains for a while. Knocked over the church. Knocking over everything. I found this thing. It's some kind of like monument. I don't know, it's just not focusing on it. I want to kind of show it. In memory of our veterans of foreign wars, dedicated July 12th, 1970. It's a pretty cool miniature thing. Like do a miniature military cemetery like the one in, where is that, Virginia? Arlington National Cemetery. They just collect weird things over time. So you gotta do it. Alright. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.